Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about 5 small cap stock picks from marquee investor Dolly Khanna's portfolio for the year 2020. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. If you want to go ahead and join the group, please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video. The group serves as an open platform for exchanging ideas, asking questions, sharing knowledge, etc. Please watch this video to know more about these stocks. Now the first company on the list is Moto Capital Services Limited, which is available at Rs 574.40 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Dolly Khanna in this particular company stands at 1.13%. The symbol for it is MUTHOOTCAP. Now Moto Capital Services Limited operates as a non-banking financial company which engages in the provision of fund and non-fund based financial services. Its services include consumer finance, commercial finance, debentures and bonds, and inter-corporate deposits. The company was founded by Muthu Papachan on February 18, 1994 and is headquartered in Kochi, India. Now looking at the one-year chart, this company had a severe correction from about the start of the year, but of late it seems to have built a bottom. The market cap of the company is 944.75 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 39.48 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 14.55, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 41.66. The price to book ratio of 1.98 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a high debt to equity of 4.4480, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.1523. The company does not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a strong number at 62.62%. None of the promoters holding is blessed. Now the second company on the list is NOSCOPE Limited, which is available at Rs 89.70 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Dolly Khanna in this particular company stands at 1.83%. The symbol for it is NOCIL. Now NOSCOPE Limited is engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading of organic chemicals. Its products include accelerators, anti-degradants, antioxidants, accelerators, pre-vulcanization inhibitors, and post-vulcanization stabilizers. The company was founded on May 11, 1961 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the one-year chart, this company has also not created any major wealth for its shareholders and has generally been a laggard. The company has a market capitalization of 1485.40 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 8.75 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 10.25, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 24.39. The price to book ratio of 1.28 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0063, which is a very good number, whereas the dividend yield is also attractive at 2.79%. The promoter holding for this company is slightly low at 33.73%, out of which 24.12% is blessed. Now the next company on the list is RAI Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 107.90 and the face value for it is 2. The holding for Dolly Khanna in this particular company stands at 1.81%. The symbol for it is RAIN. Now RAI Industries Limited engages in the production of coal tar pitch and is also involved in the manufacture of calcined petroleum coke. It operates through the following segments, which are carbon, advanced materials and cement. The company was founded on March 15, 1974 and is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Now looking at the one-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth for its shareholders and has generally been flat throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 3629.17 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 4.09 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 26.38, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 40.92. The price to book ratio of 0.76 is also dirt cheap. The company has a debt to equity of 1.4783, which is slightly high, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.0489, which is slightly subdued. RAI Industries has a dividend yield of 0.93%, whereas the promoter holding is also below average at 41.10%. None of the promoters' holding is blessed. Now the penultimate company on the list is Butterfly Gandhimati Appliances Limited, which is available at Rs 195.15 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Dolly Khanna in this particular company stands at 1.07%. The symbol for it is BUTTERFLY. Now Butterfly Gandhimati Appliances Limited engages in the manufacture of household appliances. Its products include mixer grinder, LPG stove, pressure cooker, tabletop wet grinder, water heater, electric fans, air coolers, electric iron, and others. The company was founded on February 24, 1986 and is headquartered in Chennai, India. Now, looking at the 1-year chart, this company has also not created any major wealth for its shareholders. The company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap with a market capitalization of 348.92 crores. The EPS of 8.94 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 21.83, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 36.34. The price to book ratio of 1.85 is also not wildly expensive. The company has a high debt to equity of 0.8552, whereas the return on equity is also a subdued figure at 0.0648. The company also does not pay out any dividends. However, the promoter holding for this company is a very strong number at 64.96%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now the final company on the list is NOSCOPE Limited, which is available at Rs 1488.15 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Dolly Khanna in this particular company stands at 1.05%. The symbol for it is NILKAMAL. Now NOSCOPE Limited is a holding company which engages in the manufacture and sale of plastic crates and molded furniture. The company was founded on December 5, 1985 and is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company's stock performance can be divided into two equal parts, one about till the half of the year when it was on a downtrend. However, post that it has resumed an uptrend. The market cap of the company is 2221.14 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 94.07 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 15.82, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 30.91. The price to book ratio of 2.34, however, is slightly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0611, which is decent, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.87%. The promoter holding for this company is also a strong number at 63.97%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, we have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. The link for the same is present in the description of the video and also in the pinned comment. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.